How you doing? My name is Chris, and welcome to my shop. Let me just get my shirt on real quick. Give me a sec. I actually don't know why I put this on. We're going to be talking today, so what do you say we sit down? Well, like it or not, it's that time of year again. Oh God, no, not that time of year. Not yet. No, we've still got this to do. I like Halloween. Then after that, we've got the whole gobble gobble turkey Thanksgiving thing to do, and well, then it's Christmas. Hey, yo, whoa! Whoa! I know. But when you stop and look at a calendar, there's about 12 weeks to get stuff done before, well, that is if you care about getting your packages, delivered on time. And once again this year, I've got to bring this guy out of retirement. Yeah, because I'm hoping to get at least a dozen presents made for kids this year, like I did last year. In case you don't know it, if you haven't been following me for that long, every Christmas I spend a period of time, whatever I can spend, and I make toys for underprivileged kids. And so with 12 weeks left to go, I'm thinking if I can knock out one present per week, well, that'll give me a dozen. And I don't know that I can do it. I don't even know what I'm going to be making yet this year, but I do know I have to get started. So in the weeks to come, you'll probably be seeing me doing nothing but making kids toys for Christmas, or presents that kids can use or would like for Christmas. And don't worry, I'm not going to go hitting you over the head with Christmas music and Santa and ho ho ho. I mean, I'll wait until after Thanksgiving to do that, but over the next 3 months, pretty much every video I put out will most likely have to do with a kid's toy. Now, I may take a break for Halloween just because I love Halloween, but I want to try to knock out a present per week for the underprivileged kids again this year if I can. And I'm giving you this heads up today just so you know what's going on. So when you see it and you're going, why is Chris making all these toys? You'll know. That's the reason. So up until at least December 20th, all the videos I have coming out will have to do with kids' toys. And in the meantime, I've got to nail my wife down to see what she wants me to make for her again this year. I don't mind telling you. Last year I had to make over 40 some odd presents for her and for her co-workers and family and friends, and yeah. So I'm hoping I have time to get at least one toy made per week. So the next 12 weeks from now until December 20th, if you see a video of mine, it's going to have to do probably with making something for kids. So in case you're wondering, that's the reason. Oh, but while I have you here, I can show you some stuff that I got that I plan to put to use after Christmas. Let me look what I got. That's just because I want to channel my inner Joe Whitaker. So I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I have an idea, but I'm not quite sure. But yeah, you're welcome, Milliput. Anyway, what else have I got here? Hold on. Oh, do you know what this is? I'll hold that. Here you go. This is for flocking. You people. Anyway, this is used for, a lot of people use it for insides of boxes and things of that nature, where you want, rather than putting down like felt, you can apply the glue, then the fuzzy stuff, and you use this as an applicator. Anyway, it's flocking. So I'm going to be using that after Christmas too. And I'm going to finally get around to this. And this is really cool. My sister made this for me last Christmas. And it came with a frame that I have over there, which I'm not going to use, but I'll show it to you anyway. This is a piece, I don't know if you can see it, of stained glass that she did. It's got a Celtic knot in the middle of it. This is really cool, and I have an idea for this. It's like I said, it came with the frame over there, but I'm not planning on framing it and hanging it up. I mean, I think you're supposed to originally intended to put it in that frame and then maybe hang it on a chain or something in a window so they get the sunlight through it, but I got a different idea with this, and I think that the Joe Whitaker and the flocking may be used with this, so we'll see about that. But that's about all I got for you today. It's going to be real short today, obviously, because I'm not really making anything. I just want to let you know what was headed your way and why I'm doing what I'm doing. So you guys take care. Get out in your shop, go make that first cut, and get something done. I'll talk to you later.